DNA या इंटरनेट सेवा दिवपी आस्थापनेचो मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांच्या हस्तुकी शेनवारा शुभारंभ जालो। ह्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्री रोहन खंवटे, चंदन ग्रुपाचे रघु शेटये आणि पणजेचे आदले आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार हजर आशिल्ले। RD एक्सपो खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
हे आमचो एक मोटो आसा की हो DNA जे आमी केला असोसिएशन विथ आमचे लोकल्स। आज आमी तुम्ही पळयता 40 नवे भुरगे आमी कामाक घेतल्या। तातूंत इंजिनियर्स आसा, तातूंत सेल्स वाले आसा, तातूंत अकाउंट्स वाले आसा, तातूंत बाकीचे आमचो स्टाफ आसा, ग्राउंड स्टाफ आसा। सुरवातेक आयचे दिसाक आमचे कडेन 40 स्टाफ आसा। सो वन इज वी वॉन्ट टू डू अ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन एंड आवर विजन, one and the only vision is we want to reach each and every house of Goan, not as a company, it is as a service to the people. So that is our motto. So secondly, since we are there, Goans are there, so public doesn't have to worry about paise घेतले paise na. And secondly, there will be no cheating in the billing. Very important. I don't want to explore it, but there is no cheating in the billing. We will get a best of the best correct billing. And secondly, we are giving a basic plan, 599 plan, unlimited data you can use, 2.5 Mbps and up to 100 Mbps. There is unlimited. There are different plans you can go through, and we want to reach each and every house.